you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test me?
When you gonna put me up in one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and here's my co-host IK in the house.
International King. And to all the ladies out there, that's for you. Especially Kylie Jenner.
That's right.
And I was about to say we're going to get into our hot topics, but I want to say Dr. Ross and I, we are actors and hair models, as well as designers and creators. And I want to show you some of Dr. Ross's creations.
Wind me up. Let's get right into these topics. For our first hot topic, IK, we've been telling the people, we've been telling them over and over, and now he's finally listened into the Rose and Gold. We love you, Omar. But Lamar, Lammy, whatever they want to call you, has recently came out and said he wishes he never cheated on Khloe Kardashian because she was really good to me. She was a good girl. What are your thoughts, IK?
He should have stayed with Khloe. Those are all of my thoughts. But let's move into our next hot topic with Alex Rodriguez. So Alex Rodriguez allegedly FaceTimed Southern Charms Madison before rumors of their affair.
I heard about this. Keep cheating, keep doing what you want to do, because you already know J-Lo is still partying with other guys. She was all over the Malumba, which we're not hating on because it was a good performance. But A-Rod, you need to get something. You need to get something better.
And A-Rod, if you pull this off right, like the true player style, you might be able to do something with this. Maybe get J-Lo to actually want you again.
That's right.
But let's move into our next hot topic with the Super Bowl. So for the Super Bowl, Dr. Ross and I were hearing about this. There's going to be a new Mountain Dew ad coming up where if you count all of the bottles of Mountain Dew, you might win $1 million.
Yes, John Cena takes a sip of the Mountain Dew, and you know all the Super Bowl ads are going to be really exciting. We saw the Super Bowl ad for Michael B. Jordan where he, they had to just make him shredded and just water dripping on his face with the blue contacts while he's pretending to be Alexa, the body of Alexa. So we're really excited for some of these new Super Bowl ads.
And they
Let's get to our next topic.
And they put a watermelon dog in the commercial. But let's move into our next hot topic with Aaron Rodgers. Aaron Rodgers is dating actress Shailene Woodley from Divergent, if you don't know.
That's good. Keep having your relationships. Let's get into our next hot topic. Allegedly, Chrissy Teigen said that one time she had bought a bottle of wine for $13,000 and that she freaked out a little bit. The only thing I have to say about this Chrissy Teigen is set the bottle of wines down. Set it down.
And Dr. Ross, $13,000 is nothing if you're making $1 million every day.
You saved me. Why? Monkey.
And Chrissy Teigen, that's a goddamn lie. Go get yourself the 99-cent Red Rocket. Get yourself the Red Bull. But stop being cheap, saying if you got a 13,000 bottle of wine, you over there, he ripped me off.
Exactly.
Stop. Let's move into our next hot topic with Miley Cyrus. So Miley Cyrus teases her barely there costume ahead of her game performance.
Keep wearing the costumes, Miley, because once again, we have music for you in the works. You already heard about the song, which we leaked it out, but the song that you're going to be on called Ratchet.
Miley's clothing is getting thinner and thinner. But Dr. Ross and I, we have a statement for you. We want to make a music video. Call it The Ratchetness, or Rose and Gold, featuring Miley Cyrus.
That's
Let's
right.
move it to our next hot topic with Jennifer Coolidge. So Jennifer Coolidge said that she had an identical twin in order to date 2 men at once.
Stop being scandalous. Stop it. On to our next hot topic. We have Kim Kardashian and Kanye West are no longer speaking as they prepare for their divorce. Now I have one thing to say about this, IK. It's a hoax. It's all a hoax. How long does it take for you to get divorced with someone? Who are you? Are you Willie Willems?
But Dr.
Taking
Ross,
10 years to get divorced with someone?
But Dr. Ross, just look at Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie.
But that's different. Brad Pitt was begging Angelina Jolie to take him back, playing petty and saying that he wanted to get a divorce while calling her on the phone and saying, Angelina, take me back. So
let's move into our next hot topic with Kelly Clarkson. Kelly Clarkson lists gigantic Tennessee home amid divorce.
Kelly?
No comment.
Yes, exactly. Speaking of homes, though, we do want to speak on the late and great Hugh Hefner. IK and I stopped by his mansion recently a few times, and it's been bought out, you all know. But IK and I are thinking about buying that mansion in the future. We will buy it, so we hear that you're re-renovating it.
We're setting a goal by 2025. The
That's right.
new owners of the Hefner Mansion.
Bringing back Playboy.
Put some money down below in the Patreon. Let's move it to our next hot topic with Lil Uzi Vert. So Lil Uzi apparently got a $24 million diamond implanted right here on his forehead.
Stop being stupid. Stop wasting your money and stop being stupid. On to our next hot topic. We have The Weeknd reveals the real reason why he wore bandages after promoting his album After Hours when he went to awards. He said people manipulate themselves for superficial reasons to please
Dr.
and be
Ross,
validated.
this is a thumbs down from me.
Exactly.
It's the only thing you want to do all day. Make your mind up. I'm gonna whoop your ass.
And with The Weeknd, we know you didn't come out there just to say superficial. Maybe you're superficial because you know you came out effed up.
That's
and
right.
My figure, you came out, you would not be posting photos of you looking like a mummy. You look like Halloween got bad. Trick or treat. But let's move, and Dr. Ross, before we move into our next hot topic, it's not to go back to the old topic, but Kanye, stop Kanye. I might have to
played yourself.
I might have to take your place because Kim has the dividends. And right now we know you're going through a tough time.
That's right.
You know that song, A Gold Digger?
That's exactly what I was about to play. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger. Exactly. But you got yourself a gold digger. You knew exactly what you were doing when you got Kim, the scandalous vixen.
Because she's not messing with no broke ends.
4 or 5 kids, Wednesday, Thursday, Southwest, whatever their names are, named from the streets. You're going to be paying child support on every single kid. And not only that, Kim is attractive, so she can get any guy that she wants down the street the second you walk out of her house. If she's not already doing that, already texting other figures while you're driving the Honda.
Because Kanye, you know, when Kim sees a hot guy and the money, she's going towards that instantly. Let's move into our next hot topic with Rebel Wilson. So Rebel Wilson and Jacob Bush split months after going Instagram official. He was not the one, is what she's saying.
This is some bullshit
And
because
Dr.
we
Ross,
all know what happened.
And Dr. Ross, she's getting too high on her own supply.
Exactly. She lost a couple pounds of weight from getting a little bit sick, and she's decided to kick him to the curb because now she thinks she's just Bodak Yellow. So
She shouldn't have done that, Dr. Ross.
no, she should have, because you know what it is? It's stepping stones, and that's how Hollywood is. Step on them, step on their backs to make yourself higher. That's exactly what Kim did, and that's why we love Kim and she was our She's Hot winner.
Indeed, Dr. Ross. Let's move into our next hot topic with Jana Kramer. Jana Kramer says One Tree Hill was set divided, made hell by one person in particular.
We all know what you're trying to say. We all know it. Now let's get into our next hot topic with Teresa Giudice. So her and her daughter were at the casino, and her daughter, you know, she's gotten right after the mother. She wears nothing but the smallest amount of clothes where it's barely even there, and we appreciate that because
The clothing is getting thinner and thinner.
Exactly. Teresa Giudice said that she was tricked out of her home gym, is what she's trying to claim, that they locked her out of her own gym. Maybe you
And
were
Dr.
doing
Ross,
some holiness.
Dr. Ross, I'm going to stop you right there. Teresa, just go to another gym.
Exactly.
Get another membership. Let's move into our next hot topic with Priyanka Chopra. She says that her and Nick Jonas have to schedule time to time each other, or they have to time each other every 3 weeks.
Why? Why are you doing this? We saw one interview, we're going to put a thumbs down on this, but we saw one interview way back where she said she got freaked out when Nick Jonas would just look at her in her eyes when she was sleeping.
And the Jonas brother, you need to stop. Because right now when she wakes up, all she thinks, she's going to think you're a stalker one day and kick you in the stomach.
That's right. Just stop doing the weird stuff where you just look at her in her eyes while she's sleeping, because Nick Jonas, we don't really need you in an upcoming movie that we have, but Pyra Chopa, whatever your name is, Choka, we do need you in one of our movies for our next one, The Born to Mac, if you stop eating a lot of that curry and the naan breads.
Keep the weight down.
That's right.
Let's move to our next hot topic with Hailey Bieber. Hailey Bieber twins with mom Kenya Baldwin and the Swedish new Bare Minerals campaign.
See, I hate that last name, that Bieber last name with Justin Bieber. I feel like, respectfully, you guys should change your last name. That's all we're going to say about that topic.
No more baby. It's like the Gaga. Let's
Exactly.
move into our next hot topic.
And our final one.
Yes, our next and final hot topic with how Instagram influencers can fake their way to online fame. Now, Dr. Ross and I, we want to say one thing. Don't hate the game. Don't hate the player. Hate the game.
Exactly. If you're mad because you're not making the success that other people are making, then jump in the game with them. But you guys already know, since this is an Instagram topic, you already have seen our Instagram. We are rising in the followers because, you know, Rose and Gold team, Rose and Gold Rasta family, we love you guys.
Yes, sir.
And to all the hillbillies out there, Jamaican shampoo. Just joking. Just kidding. But the Jamaican shampoo is available to order online and ready to purchase. The links will be in the description down below.
And our website is in our Instagram bio. So
Exactly.
check that
Our
out.
The is also in the link in the description below. But other than that, we'll see you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold. We out.